So I bought another camera. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As you saw by the title, I'm gonna be doing a new camera unboxing. So I got myself the new Sony ZV-1 and I also got the vlogger kit that comes with it. Well, it doesn't come with it, but you can buy it together as a bundle. I desperately needed a new vlogging camera. I was gonna use this camera that I'm using to film as a vlogging camera, but it's just too big. It is not even that big compared to other professional cameras, but this one is just, with the lens too, it's just too much to carry. And I'm going on a trip soon. And I was like, you know what, I need something a little bit more compact. So I got me the Sony ZV-1 with the shoot and grip tripod that comes with it. So I actually took some footage of me unboxing it. I'm just gonna play it here. So yeah, this is the camera. Oh my god, I love how sleek and small and compact this is. That's why I got it. Sony recently just released an upgraded version to this camera. It's called the Sony ZV-E10. I didn't get that one because it's practically the same thing, but I didn't get that one because that one allows you to change the lens, and that's what I don't want. If you're able to change a lens and put these heavy Sony and Sigma lenses on it, it kind of defeats the purpose of it being a vlogging camera. So I was like, no, this one is definitely it for me. It's so perfect. If you're gonna get this, if you're thinking about getting this and you buy it, I just want to say, when you're pairing the tripod to the camera, make sure to go to the Bluetooth settings on the camera. Also, the tripod comes with like a battery. It comes with a battery. You have to put the battery inside, because I wasn't doing that at first. I didn't know it came with a battery, so I was trying to pair it and it wasn't working. I got so mad, I was so frustrated. I even thought about going back to the store all the way in Manhattan. By the way, I got this from B&H. I got it from B&H. I thought about going all the way back to the store just to return it, only to find out I just had to put the battery inside. Anyway, so yeah, put the battery inside and then pair it pressing the photo and T button at the top. So the lens that it comes with that you can't change, you're able to tighten the lens, like make it closer or more zoomed in, or you're able to widen the lens, aka zoom out, which I love. So they do have like adapters where you can make the lens even wider, but for me, the 24mm that it comes with is perfect enough for me. It's wide enough for me. I don't need anything even more wider. So this is the all-around perfect vlogging camera for me, and I think for most basic regular vloggers who just need a camera that's small, inconspicuous, and does the job, honestly. So if you're thinking about picking this up, I highly recommend it. So let's talk about the one con that I have with this camera. To get the camera this small, that means the battery has to be small too. So here's the thing, the smaller the battery, the less power it has. The bigger the battery, the more power it has. This camera is small, so the battery is as well, therefore it dies really fast. So the one way that I combat that is having multiple batteries. I actually found one off of Amazon that has, it comes with like 3 extra batteries and the battery charger, all for like 20 bucks. I'm gonna link everything down below, and I'm also gonna put a picture of it. but it's 20 bucks, and that way if I'm like traveling or if I'm out and I'm vlogging, I can just carry extra batteries with me in my bag, and if it happens to die, I just change the batteries, or if I don't feel like charging the camera, I can just change the battery. So that's very convenient to have. Like, if you're gonna get this camera, definitely get the extra batteries that come with it, and thank me later, thank yourself later. It's only day 3 with this camera, but so far I'm enjoying it. I love it. It also came with a memory card. It came with a 64GB memory card. It's literally, the memory card has 170 megabytes per second read speed. You probably don't know what I'm talking about, but that in translation, it's really fast. Okay, it imports and reads things very fast, and that's really important if you are a videographer. Those are the little details that matter. So anyway, it does come with that. So it came with the memory card and memory SD card. It came with the shooting grip. It also came with the camera, all for $868 after tax. I think that this is an investment, at least for me, because I will be using this forever. I'm going to be using this for tons of vlogs. I have a trip coming up, so I'm going to be vlogging that trip, and I'm going to be vlogging I'm just going to keep vlogging forever. Like, why not? You know what I'm saying? It was also an early birthday gift for myself, so if you have any questions about this, let me know in the comments down below. I'll be glad to answer them. I'm kind of like a camera head a little bit, just a tiny bit, so I can answer the questions that you have. Subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and thank you so much for watching, and see you next time. Bye.